Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class about a and an, singular and plural nouns.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn this topic.
First, I will present the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the basic rules. Examples. We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct answer. Nexo. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory step by step.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Singular countable nouns. A singular countable noun names one person, animal, place, or thing. Example. A teacher. Example. An apple. Example. A house. Use a or an before one singular countable noun. Example. I see a bird. Example. She has an egg. Use a. Use a before a singular noun that starts with a consonant sound. Example. A cat. Example. A book. Example. A table. Many common nouns start with consonant sounds, so they use a. Example. There is a car. Example. This is a pencil. Use an. Use an before a singular noun that starts with a vowel sound. Example. An orange. Example. An umbrella. Example. An insect. An helps the words sound smooth together. Example. I need an eraser. Example. He eats an apple. Plural nouns. A plural noun names two or more people, animals, places, or things. Example. 2 dogs. Example. 3 chairs. Example. 4 apples. Do not use a or an before plural nouns. Example. I see cats. Example. She has books. Making regular pearls. For many nouns, add s to make the plural. Example: 1 pen, 2 pens. Example: 1 cup, 3 cups. Some nouns add es when the word ending needs an extra sound. Example: 1 box, 2 boxes. Example: 1 bus, 2 buses. Sound before spelling. Choose a or an by the first sound, not only the first letter. Example: an hour. Example: a university. Good work with the theory. Now we move to examples.
Examples help me see the pattern.
This is a banana. I have an orange. There is a dog in the park. There is an elephant at the zoo. She reads a book. He needs an umbrella. A cup is on the table. An apple is on the plate. 2 cups are on the table. 3 apples are in the bag. I see a fish. I see fish in the water. There is a box near the door. There are boxes near the door. This is an old car. This is a new car. Nice examples. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready to practice.
Choose an option.
This is a chair.
Choose an option. Anne. I have an apple. Choose an option. A. There is a pen on the desk. Choose an option. Anne. She sees an insect. Choose an option. 2 cats. There are 2 cats in the garden. Choose an option. Three birds. I see 3 birds. Choose an option. An. This is an egg. Choose an option. A. He has a sandwich. Choose an option. Four boxes. There are 4 boxes. Choose an option. An. It is an umbrella. Choose an option. A. This is a university. Choose an option. An. It is an hour. Good job. You completed the grammar class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next class.